I welcome you back in One in All YouTube channel. This is day 16 of typing tutorial. Yesterday I taught how to type the alphabet or character of the bottom row. Today I will teach two more alphabet, that is remaining two alphabet, that is B and N. How to type B and N of the bottom row. First of all, you have to place your fingers on the home row. Then you have to type B. You have to type B. You have to type B with the forefinger of left hand. With the forefinger of left hand. You have to type B with the forefinger of left hand. You have to type B with the forefinger of left hand. And you have to type N. You have to type N with the forefinger of the right hand. You have to type N with the forefinger of the right hand. Your exercise is that you have to type Z space bar X space bar C space bar V space bar B space bar V space bar. On the right hand you have to type forward slash space bar full stop space bar comma space bar M space bar N space bar M space bar. You have to type this. That's it, that much. Thank you so much.